This is Natarajan. First, let me convey my thanks to all our viewers and supporters to run our channel successfully. Actually, what we are going to see in this video is how to analyze a chart and mark important levels on that. So, this is what we are going to see in this video. For traders as well as day traders, as well as swing traders and investors, the chart is very, very important. The importance of chart I can tell you in another way. I can give you an example that if you go to a doctor with a problem, first the doctor used to check up your pulse rate. So after checking the pulse rate only you start treatment. Because see, by checking the pulse rate, a doctor can come to a conclusion that the problem of the person or problem of the patient. So like that, by looking the chart only, a trader can come to a conclusion where is the entry point, where is the exit point, where is the support and where is the resistance. So all the things we can come to a conclusion. So this is the importance of chart. And now we are moving into the presentation. Come on, let us see the presentation. Thank you. Actually, this is a slide of trend of the market. See, I have divided the market into three types. One is uptrend market, and another one is downtrend market. Third one is sideways market. So we can divide the market into three categories. If the market is in upside, we have to go long. So if we go against the market, in the uptrend market, if we go short, we will be in loss. So like that, if the market is in downtrend, we have to go short. Otherwise, during the downtrend market, if we go long, we will be in loss. So if it is in sideways market, one has to trade in scalping method. So in the bottom we have to buy and the top we have to sell. So this is a normal procedure. So trend of the market, I will give you different slide. So here you can see, this is a nifty chart actually. For uptrend, this is a slide I have given as an example. Okay. So these are the places one can go for short. This is the place, and here you can go short, here you can go short, here you can go short. So during the entire day, the market is in uptrend. Okay. Because I am a trader who use CPR, central pivot range, pivot points and price action. So I have taken this chart with the CPR only. Though this is the example of uptrend market. And this is a example chart of downtrend market. So this is in this market, one can go for short. For every higher side, we can go short. Here we can go for short. Here we can go for short. Here we can go for short. So during this downside market, if we go long, we will be in loss. So this is an example slide for downside market. So this is the downside market from the beginning, from the market beginning till end of the market is totally downside. It has come down like anything. Drastically it has come down. And third one is sideways market. This is the example slide of sideways market. Here you can see totally from the market opening till end of the market, it is in the sideways only. So in the sideways market, it is difficult to trade actually. Even if it is in the upside, we can go short, and here we have to cover. If we go short here, here we have to cover. So this is very narrow range. So it is difficult to trade, but this is an example of sideways market. That we have to, before entering the market, we have to decide what is the trend of the market, whether the market is in upside or downside, that we have to see, or if it is in the sideways, scalping method we can trade. Levels of the chart. So I have a slide actually that I am going to put. So this is the important levels of the chart. One has to mark on the chart. Number one is PDH and PDL. PDH in the sense previous day high and previous day low. We have to mark on the chart. This is one of the important level. and the second one is supply and demand zone. We can call it supply and demand zone or support and resistance zone. And third one is swing high and swing low. And fourth one is gap opening. Fifth one is virgin CPR, and the last one is turning point. So these are the levels we are going to mark on the chart now. Now let us move to chart. So this is the chart of Nifty actually, dated 14/9/2021. So now we are going to mark these are the levels on 14/9/2021. This is for next day, I mean 15th trading. So for 15th trading, we have to mark important level on 14th chart. Okay, this is a 14th chart of Nifty. First one is previous day and previous day high and previous day low. Okay, this is the previous day high. Actually, everywhere we have to, each and every level we have to change the color on the line. Here I am giving this one, it's dark yellow, and the previous day low also I am marking. So this is the previous day high and first one is previous day low. This is PDH and PDL. Okay, and the next one is supply and demand zone, that we have to see last 2-3 days we have to take. Yeah, we have to take 3-4 days, last 3-4 days Nifty chart, so that we can identify the supply and demand zone. This is the, if you look at the chart for last 4 days, this is the supply zone. Okay, we can call it as a either resistance or resistance zone or supply. Okay, here we have to change the color. I'll make it red color. Okay, and this is the demand zone. Last 4 days we can take. Now we have marked PDH and PDL, previous day high and previous day low, and next one is supply and demand zone I have marked. Okay, and third one is swing high and swing low. These we have to take from, these are things I have made mark on 5 minutes chart. For swing high and to find out swing high and swing low, we have to take 1 day chart. Okay, this is the 1 day chart. Here also it is same, swing high, this is the swing high and this is the swing low. Okay, this is the swing high and this is the swing low. And gap opening we can find out from, I mean 1 day chart, 1 day candle itself, 1 day chart itself we can find out gap opening. Gap opening we can find out from 1 day chart or 5 minutes chart. Here nearby there is no gap opening. Even if you look at the chart on the past 3-4 days, there is no gap opening here. So we don't want to give any importance on gap opening. And next one is virgin CPR. Here we have to change it 5 minutes. Okay. So virgin CPR we can take from CPR pivot points we have to open. Virgin CPR. Even yesterday it is virgin CPR. This is the virgin CPR. We have to make mark on that. And here the top CPR line is 17,349. Okay, this is the one. Here I am making it color is black color. This is important. While live market we have to be very conscious on the levels. 349, next one is 338 and next one is 328. Okay, so now I have made virgin CPR and the last one is turning point. Now I am minimizing the CPR. Now we have to find out, is there any turning point here? There is no particular turning point. Okay, so all these are the levels. These are the levels we have to make mark on the chart. One is PDH and PDL, that we have made a mark. Next one is supply and demand zone, that we have made. Swing high and swing low, here it is same as it is supply and demand zone only, and there is no gap opening. Next one is virgin CPR, I have made a mark. Yes, yesterday there was a virgin CPR. This is, next one is turning point. Okay. So what are the levels available? We have made mark on the Nifty chart. Okay. Because I am a trader who uses CPR, central pivot point, and central pivot range, pivot points, and price action. Okay, so now we are ready to face the today market. I mean 15th market. This is a chart of 14th actually, 14th September, and today it is 15th. We are waiting to face the chart. Okay, and next one what I am going to do is I am going to make mark like this on Bank Nifty. So this is a chart of 14th. Okay, this is 14th and this is 13th. On 14th chart I am going to mark important levels. So again previous day high and previous day low. Sorry, 1 second. This is a chart of previous day high. Sorry. Color we have to make. We have to change the color. This is the color we have given in Nifty, and previous day low. This is the area. Okay. And next one is supply and demand zone. Again we have to mark. We have to look after last 4 days chart. This is the nearest supply zone. Sorry. This is a supply zone. Supply zone normally we used to keep red color, and this is the demand zone. We can see this is the demand zone. Here I am changing the color of green color. Okay. And next one is swing high, swing low. We have to take 1 day chart and we have to mark this Bank Nifty. This is the swing low and swing high. And we have to color red color. This is the swing low. Again green color. Okay. Swing high and swing low. And a gap opening that we have to see in 5 minutes chart. Okay. There is no very big gap opening. We can see in 5 minutes as well as 1 day chart also. There is no gap opening here nearby. And next one is Virgin CPR. That we have to keep the candle 5 minutes candle chart, and we have to open the CPR. So CPR, Virgin CPR. Yes, yesterday it was a Virgin CPR. 377. Okay, this is the one. This is a Virgin CPR. Color normally we keep black color. Okay, Virgin CPR I have made. And next one is turning point. That I am minimizing the things. Is there any turning point here? No, there is no turning point. Okay, so now we have made important levels on both the chart, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, oh, that's all. 1 second. Hope you understand the concept of analyzing the chart and mark important levels on that. Now you can raise a question that why we are making these are the levels on the chart. Then what is the importance of marking levels on the chart? The reply is, I can give you an example. While we are on the road, normally we can find out some speed break on the road that is put up by government. The reason behind that is, while we cross the road, if we find the speed break, it means we have to minimize our speed, and we have to cross the road. That is the reason behind that. Okay, so now we have made and we have to be very cautious while we cross the speed break. So like that, the purpose of marking important levels on the chart is, while the live market, while we cross the market during the market hours, if the market crosses that particular levels, normally it gets difficult, or the market is not able to cross that particular level, so that we can be very cautious. Okay, so the purpose of marking important levels on the chart is, a trader has to be very cautious while the market crosses that particular level. Either the market takes more time, or it takes difficult to cross the level, or the market cannot cross the level. So that we have to be very cautious while the market crosses the particular level. So that is the reason why before opening the market, we make important levels on the market. Okay, I hope you understand the concept now. Still, if you not subscribe our channel, below there is a subscribe button. Kindly subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends and trading circle. Thank you very much.